Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 158,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.